When installing box beams, you're typically going to run into three common conditions. One condition is where you're going to be wrapping an existing beam. A second condition is where you're going to be installing your box beam perpendicular to the existing floor joist. And a third condition is when you're going to be installing your box beam parallel with the floor joist. In this instance, blocking has been installed between the floor joists, which will then, after the drywall is installed, a board will be placed on that, and then the box beam will be nailed through the sides and into that board. We'll come back after the drywall is installed and we'll show you how to put the board on and then install the box beams. So you can see the drywall has been installed and we're ready to install our box beams. If you recall, we're standing in the area where the box beams are going to be installed parallel with the existing floor joists, and we had installed blocking between the floor joists. And what we've done is we've located that with a stud finder, marked the blocking on the ceiling, and then we snapped a chalk line down the edge of where our nailer is going to be installed. This is a 2x nailer right here. We're going to screw that into the blocking. That then is going to fit into this space in the top of the box beam. From the top of the box beam to the top of our spacer is 2 inches, and our nailer is 1.5 inches, so we'll have plenty of clearance. So we're going to install that nailer into our blocking. Alright, we'll finish installing the nailer here, and we'll start up again when we're ready to install the box beam over this nailer. We've installed our nailer on the ceiling, and now we're getting ready to install our box beam. We've cut it to length, and what we're going to do is slide it over our nailer on the ceiling, and then use the finish nailer to apply some nails through the side of the box beam into the nailer up the better. Once it's in place, push up. Then you would simply continue, finish nailing into both sides of the box beam, and that's all there is to installing.